In this video, I'm making a heart-shaped wreath. I've put together bouquets of mixed flowers and pastel colors. I chose lamb's ear stems to add to the soft, delicate look that I want to convey. Next, I place the bouquets in the frame wires to see how they look. As I go through, I realize that I did not make enough bouquets, so I decide to make some more. I continue placing the bouquets to the frame, but I still think that some more needed to be made to make it fuller. After I set in the bouquets, I like how it looks and I start to tie them to the frame with zip ties. I think finishing the back of a wire-framed wreath makes it look nicer, even though it won't be seen. Here I make an attempt to use a placemat as a backing. I trace the shape of the frame and then use scissors to cut it. I don't like how it lays on the back of the wreath though, so I decide to use burlap instead. I cut strips to use to wrap it around the frame. I twist it around between the bouquets and I secure it with hot glue. And here's the finished wreath. You can hang this over a bed, in a powder room, over the baby's crib, maybe display it at a bridal shower. Wreaths aren't just for the front door. You can find this and other wreaths on my website. Thanks for watching.